Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here in the historic town of Montefrio to show you this tall but slim property. Montefrio is a town that has all amenities that you're going to need. It is approximately 50 minutes from Granada City and around an hour and 30 minutes to Malaga Airport. The town is known for having some of the best views in the world. And if you like walking or cycling, this is the perfect place for you. So we come straight into the kitchen. You'll see that this is an old house in original condition. So yes, there's going to be work. Now we would recommend that you keep your kitchen here, completely obviously reform it, and then perhaps put a loo under the stairs. And there's room here where this sofa is to put a little foldable table. And then as we go up, these are very original stairs, so they're quite steep. That might be something that you'll want to change. Now this room you'll see is being used as a bedroom, but we think it makes a lot more sense to use it as a sitting room, because realistically there's not enough room here to put in an ensuite, and you don't have a sitting room if you don't use this one as your kind of general living space. And then we go up the last staircase, and this would be your bedroom with an ensuite. So it's a reasonable size room. And then just around here is the old bathroom. So as you can see, there's reform to be done, but this is priced at a really sensible level so that you can buy this house, do your reforms, and you won't be spending crazy amounts of money. Because it's so close to the town centre and there's parking on the street outside, I think this would be a good holiday home and possibly also a good rental. So that's it. As I said, it's small but could be sweet. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on YouTube, follow us on all our other channels as well, Instagram, TikTok. Please look at the website regularly for updates. granadahouses.es. Like and share this video, leave your comments in the section below and we'll respond to any of those. Also, if you would like a viewing, please request that in the comments section or just call or send us an email. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching.